Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, and now you are watching the video of hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location. And here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 5.8. The hotel uses now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Next, we talk about amenities of this hotel, so you can see on the screen. All guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and is authorized to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the hotel is attractive and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. One category of amenities is available online. You can take them online and enjoy your stay. Several days and nights are available online for this hotel, along with various meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For booking or more details, check the description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can get us by commenting details. If you have already stayed in this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you will not miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.